Hi everyone, I'm Coach Medai. Today is about acting. Very simple, basic acting class. Today's theme is about how to speak attractively. I want your speaking skill become more attractive. Everyone will have the opportunity to speak in front of many people or speak at the stage or in a company doing a presentation. Today I want to share with you some points, some tips of making your speaking more attractive. Because a lot of people, when speaking in front of many people, they will get nervous. And when the people get nervous, they tend to be easy to speak with no change. There is no change in your speaking. I'm Yusuke Medai, I'm Coach Medai, and or some people, when they're very nervous, they speak very quickly. I'm Yusuke Medai, and I feel. So today's point is please try to change 1, 2, 3, 4 when you speak in front of the people. Number 1, speed. Please change the speed of your speaking. Sometimes you speak very slowly, but sometimes you speak very quickly. You can change the speed of your speaking. Number 2, strength. Sometimes you put strength on one part of your speaking, but sometimes you speak very weakly. When you speak weakly, it's something like this. When you get into the very strong point, you put strength on your speaking. But sometimes you speak very weakly and warmly and softly. But sometimes you speak powerful. Number 3, rhythm, especially making pauses. That's very important. When you speak, sometimes please add some pauses. And when you speak, a very important point. Before this point, you can add some pauses or you can change some rhythm. The point is, please change the rhythm. And number 4, emotion. Please change your emotion when you speak, when you are speaking. Sometimes you speak very happily, very excitingly, but sometimes you speak very kindly, very warmly, softly. Sometimes you speak very sadly, but sometimes you speak very angry. Yeah, something like that. That's it. If you want to make your speaking more attractive, please adjust and change these 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will do a very simple review. Number 1, speed. If you speak very quickly, speak very slowly. That's the point. And number 2, the strength. Sometimes you put strength, very big strength, but sometimes you speak weakly. You can adjust. Strong and weak. Number 3, rhythm, especially making pauses. When you speak very quickly and you speak a lot and sometimes you stop. Please give some time to the audience, the time of absorbing your vocabulary. Give the audience some space of breathing. Number 4, emotion. You speak very softly and sometimes excitedly. Sometimes you speak very happy, sometimes you speak very sadly. Yeah, that's it. And the point is, when you speak, you often care about the dialect, or some people cannot speak out what they want to speak. They cannot speak very well, fluently. But I think my point of view, please don't care about these things. Even if you cannot speak very fluently, but if you are very careful about this point and you speak from your heart, your story, your speaking will motivate or will move the audience. So the point is, please don't care about you speak very fluently or have any dialect. Please don't care about this. Okay, even if you have a very strong accent or you cannot speak fluently, but if you speak from your heart and you do the changes of them, your speaking will be attractive for everyone. Okay, please be confident. And in my acting class, there is one exercise about talk show. This exercise can train the speaking skill of the actor. You can learn a lot of things from this homework. That's it. Thank you for watching my channel. In my channel, I'm sharing with you about many things in 3 languages: Japanese, English, and Chinese. And one is this acting, very basic acting lesson. And the second is the tips of learning acting. And number 3 is tips of learning languages. I have tried many kinds of ways of learning languages efficiently. So I want to share with you how to learn languages very efficiently. And number 4, very simple language lessons such as Chinese lesson and Japanese lesson. So if you are very interested in my channel, please watch my channel. This is my honor. Thanks for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.